So now, in closing, what I want to do is to bring back the Notifications Manager class and show you some of the edits that I have made off screen. I have added some new functions and features, and I have tidied up the code, adding more formatting and comments to make it more production ready. So I'm just going to maximize MonoDevelop to show you that class, and you can see it here. If I scroll through the class, you can see that I've added some extra functions and features, and it's looking generally a lot better. And I want to just go through them and show you some of the things that I have added so that you can explore ways to improve this class perhaps even further. What we have here is the add listener function that we have coded already. And if I scroll down a bit further, you can see the post notification function that we have also added. But here I have added the remove listener function, and this complements the add listener function. The add listener function allows us to add a listener for a particular notification, and the remove listener is really the opposite of that. If an object decides that it no longer needs to listen for a particular event, it can remove itself specifically by calling on the remove listener function, and it goes ahead here in a loop and it removes the appropriate listener. I've also added the clear listeners function, which will remove all listeners for all events. Notice it calls upon just the clear function on the listener's dictionary object. I've also added a remove redundancies function, and what this does is if a listener registers for an event but that listener is somehow destroyed if the object is removed in the level, but it does not remove itself from the listener list, then this remove redundancies function will cycle through all the listeners in the notification system and find out whether any of these objects have been deleted. So here it checks to see that they are null, and it will remove them as appropriate. So here we've added basically some extra features to this code, and this really just improves the Notification Manager even further. So that really just sums up how we can code a notification system for your objects and for your levels. And that completes this C# course. I hope you have found it really helpful. This has been Alan Thorne, and you've been watching this presentation by 3D Motive. I wish you all the very best in your C# projects. So good luck and best wishes.